Sun salutations are probably the most important way to get started in the Ashtanga practice. Everything you need to know about the Ashtanga practice begins with sun salutation. At some point, people will start to use it as a warm-up. But if you stay mindful with it and pay attention, you will realize that learning how to do your vinyasa, which is to breathe and move, to jump, to build strength, to build endurance, can easily be done by doing the sun salutations properly. So enjoy the video. Any questions, any comments, write us, like us, subscribe us, do whatever. We'll see you soon and enjoy. Bye-bye. When we begin the Ashtanga practice, we begin with Surya Namaskara, sun salutation. We have two, an A and a B. The A has 9 steps and the B has 17 steps. It's important to remember that breathing is only through the nose. There's no mouth breathing. Right? When we begin, we start in Samastitihi. Ribs should be down, belly button lifted, as much as possible. Breathing only through the nose. We begin step 1. Inhale, arms up, and press your palms. 2, exhale, touch the floor. Now, if it's not possible to touch the floor, then you just bend your knees and let your hands lightly touch the ground. Bend. Okay? This is okay. Head is down. Step 3, head up only. Again, it's very common to want to lift the hands, but the correct vinyasa is hands flat. Step 4, you're going to bend the knees and jump back as far as you can. Good. And exhaling, go down. For now, we want you all the way down on the ground. We don't want the elbows in. We want the elbows slightly out. Again, so that you're getting a better push through the tricep. Right? It's very common to be taught for the elbows to be squeezed in. And again, what they call a 90-degree angle. But unfortunately, every angle is a 90-degree angle, because that's the only way your arms will bend. Right? We want to make sure that the body goes down as even as possible. Try not to use the knees, and try to keep some weight in the feet. Step number 5, you're going to lift your chest. Good, and press your feet, pointing your toes. Upward dog. Again, we don't want any weight on the bottom of the legs. We don't want this resting. Number 6, you're going to lift the hips. Downward dog. You can walk in a little bit. Okay? Ribs should be in. We don't want to be resting and pressing really hard through the shoulders. It's not necessary. Just inhale. Breathing should be nice and smooth, as even as possible. So at position 6, you would take your 5 breath. Position 7, you're going to inhale and jump forward. Good. Position 8, we're going to exhale, head down. Position 9, you're going to inhale, arms up, and then back to Samasthiti. Right? That's Surya Namaskara A. It should be done at least 5 times, and it should be done every day. Surya Namaskara B. There are 17 steps. Step number 1, she's going to bend her knees roughly to about here. Sometimes people will sweep the floor, sometimes they'll squat way down. Again, not necessary, only to here. Then, finishing the breath, hands will come up, and you press. Okay? No holding, exhale. Same as before, hands down, head down. Step 3 is the same, head is up. 4 will be the same, jump back. And again, for now, we're just going to lay down. So we want to make sure that everything lays down. If you find yourself just flopping, don't worry about it. Keep flopping. Step 5, inhale, lift the chest, point the toes. Exhale, number 6. Now, number 7, you're going to step the right foot forward. Good. And arms will come up. Inhale all the way up. Okay? A knee will bend. 8, exhale all the way down. Good. Remember, lay all the way down, straight body. Good. 9, inhale, lift up. 10, exhale,
downward dog again. 11, left foot steps forward. 12, exhaling all the way back down, straight down. 13, inhale. 14, exhale. When you get to 14, this is where you breathe. Right? Ribs are in. So you breathe 3, 4, and 5. 15, you inhale, jump forward. 16, exhale, head down. 17, bend the knees, arms up, same as before. And then Samasthiti. So there's only going to be one place where you're actually going to stop and breathing. What is important to remember is if you can't maintain inhale, exhale the entire time, it doesn't matter. So if the step is too big for you, you inhale, take an extra breath. When you get to the 14th position, then you reestablish your inhale and your exhale. Practicing the sequence and remembering the steps are more important than the execution as a beginner. Every day that you do it, it'll just get better, you'll just get stronger.